division means equal sharing. Look at this example. There are 12 apples. We want to distribute them equally among 4 children. So total 12 apples. Total 12 apples. We want to distribute among 4 children equally. Equally distribute करना चाहते हैं 4 children में. So we'll give 1 apple each child. First what we'll do? First we'll give 1 apple to each child. Then 8 apples are left. Now again we'll give one apple more to each child. Now each child will get 2 apples. So we are left with 4 apples. Clear? Now we again give them 1 apple each. Each child will get 3 apples now. Finally all the apples are finished. Thus the division means to divide or split a number equally among group. So we write it as 12 divided by 4, that is equals to 3. Total 12 apples were there. We have divided equally among 4 children. So each children will get 3 apples. This is the symbol of division. This symbol is for division. Clear? 12 divided by 4 equals to 3 is a division fact. We read it as 12 divided by the 4, that is equals to 3. 12 is called dividend. Here 12 is called the dividend. And 4 is called the divisor and 3 is called the quotient. Clear? Next, exercise 6a. Fill in the boxes by dividing the picture in equal group. One has been done for you. First, divide 8 balls by making group of 2. So, 8 balls, we have to make the group of 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 8 divided by 4, 2, that is equals to 4. Here, divide 18 toffees by making the group of 3. Total 18 toffees hai, we have to make the group of 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we will make total 6 group. So, 18 divided by 3, that is equals to 6. Clear? Next is division as repeated subtraction. Division is same as repeated subtraction. We can also divide by finding out how many times a given smaller number can be subtracted from the bigger number. For example, divide 8 ice cream among the 2 children. So, 8 minus 2, that is equals to 6. Again we subtract 2 from 6. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Then 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So, we keep dividing until we will get 0. So, how many times we have divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 8 divided by 2, that is equals to 4. So, we count the number. हम number को count कर सकते हैं. We count the number of times we have subtracted 2 from 8. 8 is 4 times. So, we will say 8 divided by 2, that is equals to 4. Next is exercise 6b. Divide the following by repeated subtraction. 20 divided by 4. So, what will do? 20 minus 4, that is equals to 16. We will keep dividing until we get 0. 16 minus 4, that is equals to 12. Now, 12 minus 4, that is 8. 8 minus 4, that is equals to 4. 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0. So, how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 20 divided by 4, that is equals to 5. Clear? Next, division using the number line. We will take an example. How many times can you subtract 3 from 15? Show on the number line. So, start the mark from 15. So, here this is number 15. Now, take back moves 3 each and reach the mark 0. So, 3 के moves करेंगे until we will reach 0. 1 move, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here we reach 0. So, 15 divided by 3, that is equals to 5. Clear? Next is exercise 6c. Use the number line for division and fill in the boxes. 10 divided by 2. So, here is number 10. So, we'll make the backward move of 2 until we reach 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is 0. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2, that is equals to 5. Clear? Next, relation between multiplication and division. Division as the reverse process of multiplication. Division जो है multiplication की reverse process है, means उसका उल्टा है. 5 into 3, that is 15. 15 divided by 3, that is equals to 5. 3 into 5, 5 into 3, 15, 3 into 5, 15. Same. 15 divided by 3, that is 5, and 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So from the above, we have learned that the multiplication fact क्या हो जाएगा? 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 3, that is also 15. 15 by 3, that gives us 5. And 15 divided by 5, that is equals to 3. That is the division fact. Next is exercise 6D. Fill in the boxes. 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12, and 12 divided by 2 gives you 6. Clear? Next, division using multiplication tables. Division is the opposite operation of multiplication, as we know. Therefore, multiplication table can be used to understand division. For example, divide 30 by 5. 30 को divide करना है 5 से. So solution, we have to divide 30 by 5. So for that, we have to call the table of 5 till we reach 30. So 5 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30, so 30 divided by 5 gives you 6. Clear? Next is exercise 6E. Divide the following. 15 divided by 3. So we'll call the table of 3 until we reach 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 15 divided by 3, that is equals to 5. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next, long division method. We'll take an example 12 divided by 3. So solution, let us represent this division using the long division method. Division is yet another operation of mathematics. So we need the dividend and divisor. The dividend gets divided. जिस number को हम divide कर रहे हैं, that is called dividend. The number by which we are dividing, that is called divisor, and the result is known as quotient. And what remain is the remainder. जो भी पीछे बचेगा, that is remainder. We express the fact in long term. इस तरीके से लिखेंगे हम 12 divided by 3. So now we'll call the table of 3. 3 4s are 12. So 4, here's your quotient. 12 minus 12, that is 0. So 0 is remainder. 3 is divisor and 12 is dividend. Clear? We'll take one example. 14 divided by 3. So if divide 14 by 3. So we'll call the table of 3. Either we'll get 14 or the number just less than 14. So 3 4s are 12. Because 3 5s are 15, that is more than 14. So 3 4s are 12. Subtract करेंगे 2. So here 2 is remainder, 3 is divisor, 14 is dividend and 4 is quotient. Clear? And the division sum, the remainder is always less than the divisor. Clear? Next is exercise 6X. Write in long form 24 divided by 4. So we have to divide 24 by 4. So we know 4 6 are 24. So we'll write 6 here. Subtract करेंगे, we'll get 0. Clear? 6 is quotient, 4 is divisor, 24 dividend and 0 is remainder. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next, word problems. We'll take an example. The book house in charge distributes 72 books equally among 9 boys. How many books does each boy receive? So for that, we'll divide 72 by 9. So we'll get 8. So each boy will receive 8 books. So here what we have to do? Total number of books 72. we have to divide the book equally among 9 children. So how many book each children will get? So where we have to divide equally, there we'll do division. Clear? Next is exercise 6G. How many balloons do you buy for 18 rupees if each balloon costs 2 rupees? So one balloon ki cost is given, that is 2 rupees. Total number of balloon 18. 2 9s are 18. So total 9 balloon we can buy. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next, mental maths. A group of 42 persons consisting of captain and soldiers is travelling in a bus. For every 6 soldiers, there is 1 captain. What is the number of captain in the group? For every 6 soldiers, 1 captain है, total 42 है. So 42 divided by 6. 6 7s are 42.